Cudgel, 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 cudgel. What the Biden administration has done is they've adopted the Trump administration's deal and approach and are using as a cudgel to hit the Chinese and saying, you're not agreeing to this. You're not abiding by this agreement that you signed. And that has to do with everything from agricultural purchases to a whole host of other issues. Cudgel. A thick and heavy short club used to hit or beat animals, objects, or people. Used as a noun and a verb.